Understanding a matter of time in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, a matter of time. This phrase is commonly used but can sometimes be confusing for English learners. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning together. A matter of time is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to indicate that something is inevitable or bound to happen, but the exact timing is uncertain. This phrase is often used to express a sense of inevitability about future events. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. It's just a matter of time before he gets promoted. 2. This means that his promotion is inevitable, but we don't know when it will happen. 3. They're working hard on the project. Success is only a matter of time. 4. This suggests that success is certain, but the timing is unknown. Now, let's try using the phrase in different sentences. With her talent, becoming a famous artist is a matter of time. Given the company's growth, expansion is a matter of time. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this phrase, like, only a matter of time, just a matter of time. These variations have the same meaning and are used interchangeably. Be careful not to use this phrase when you're sure about the timing of an event. For example, don't say, it's a matter of time before the movie starts at 8 p.m. This is incorrect because the starting time is already known. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, a matter of time. Remember, it's used to talk about something that is certain to happen, but the timing is unknown. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.